and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Well, if you love to eat at Taco Bell and love their lip-smacking hot sauce, then today's recipe is perfect for you. I'm making Taco Bell's hot sauce, and this is exactly copycat recipe. So before we start, I would like you to request you to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. So let's start the recipe. For the hot sauce, we need about half a cup or less of tomato paste, 1 cup of water, cornstarch about 1 teaspoon, salt is as per taste, and for this recipe is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and paprika. We also need 1 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder as per your taste, and crushed red pepper, and pickled jalapeno, which I have a recipe link in description, and sugar about a half a tablespoon. It is also optional if you like to add or if you don't like to add, and I have listed all the ingredients in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now take the jalapeños and we are going to mince really fine. Now in a saucepan, add tomato paste. You can also use tomato puree, but then you have to adjust the consistency. Now add water and mix really well so there are no lumps, or so just whisk it together. And to that I'm going to add jalapeno, and we're going to add all the spices. So here goes the onion powder, and then garlic powder. I added about a half teaspoon of garlic powder because it's very strong, and then chili flakes and salt, sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. For mild sauce I'm making, so I'm using 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. You can add more if you like. And then we're gonna heat this mixture and bring it to a boil only once. As it is boiling, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of water and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix really well and add to this sauce, and mix it and bring it to boil. I'm gonna give a taste to check for the salt, and it's perfect. So, and the heat is also just right, the way I like it. So when it comes to boil, it will start thickening up and become glossy. This is how we want. So turn off the heat and then let this sauce cool, and then we can use it. So I'm just going to take it out in a bowl, and this is hot sauce just like Taco Bell. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know in the comment box below of what you think of this recipe, and please try it and share your experience with us. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.